Hey. Mr. Bull, what are you doing there? Peeking behind the bull. What you doing? What you doing there? You guys are eating mineral. Good deal. Lots of good mineral. What you guys doing? Hey, there you are. What you doing? What you doing, Mr. Bullet? I got a lot of red tint features. Yes, you do. You jumped that 5-foot high fence too. Right there. Caught it with his back leg. Bent it down. Sledgehammered it back up. Quite the jumper you are. 5'5", 5'9" maybe. A hell of a jump. Hey, baby. Where's Sparkle? Sparkle! There you are. You're cute. You're the last born heifer. Okay, you guys gotta go out and graze. Gotta eat that lamb's quarter. You guys got work to do. You guys got fed really good today. 50 pounds. Look at that. Yeah, it's growing out there. It's coming in. There's their play toys. They've been using them. Let me go show you the water. Hold on. Excuse me. A nice water there going on. Sparkle! All right, here we go. So my well is way out there. And I lined it all in to here. There's my hose and my water. It's a play toy for the, you can see they've been using it. They use the ones inside the barn more. A nice little brush there for them. Oh, what do we got here? Yeah, I'm filling up this tank right here. A lot of water comes down here. When it rains, it's like a shower right here going into this tank. So there's my fresh water. Not a huge amount of flow. That's enough to do the job. For the summertime. Well never goes dry. Beautiful. Pond is over there. And that's my corral. Nice tall corral. This thing is it's about 5'8". 5'7" to 5'9". Our water tanks coming off the roof. Fills up the water good. Lots of good water. More tanks over here. Another tank out in the field. It's all nice and clean. Grass is growing good here. Lots of happy grass. Cleaned up all the garbage. Took out a lot of the cedar trees. I'm going to be modifying this this corral, this head gate. It's going to get modified. 1954 design. Super strong. I'm going to do some work on the inside. What I want to basically do is on the inside of these doors, I'm going to run a couple 2x8s all the way down. And get over here where the sun's better. Over here. I'm gonna run some 2x8s across there. And then I'm gonna put a slot here. I'm gonna put a slot down this way where I can put a couple boards or pipe. That way they don't back out. I have a door. I have a nice door there, but this way they won't back out or try to squirm or do anything inside there. Once that's behind them, it'll be good. It's 8 foot tall. So, it's my loading center and my head gate, all combined. It's a pretty cool setup. Basically, these pull evenly. When I pull these, that's my bushing there. Holder. Keep their head from going up too high. Because the way this V works, it's going to be tighter down here and looser up here. So as they get their head up, I'll winch them down. Hold their head in there good. And also you back up the trailer and you'll load from here too. 2 doors for sorting. Sort that side, and the front. But I'll just, my best is right here. I like to sort them right here. A little wet right now because I dumped their water, fresh in. I will sort right there basically. Get the steel. Put that somewhere it needs to be. I don't know if you can see out there, but there's a big pond out there. It's all those trees. Plenty of water there too if they want to drink from there. Yep. Pretty cool. Somebody's making poo. They're starting to graze. Sparkle! I don't know how to zoom in on this thing. Let me see. Oh yeah, you can do zoom. Look at that. A little bit. Sparkle! Oh, Sparkle's making poo. Yeah, look at that. You guys better eat those lamb's quarter. Oh, what are you doing with my water over there? Yeah, you be nice to it. Hey, there he is. The man of the hour. Mr. Bull, come on out here and show him your bruteness. He's gotten a bit thinner since I'm forcing him to graze more. The days of overfeeding are over with. He's fully grown. He needs to go out and do his thing out here and eat. Just like these girls. They're eating. It's pretty nice. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful people driving along. There he is, the man, our nice long limousine. A nice long limousine body. He's a long one. Go check on the girls, see how everybody's doing. Yeah, he's a true gentleman. The cows will push each other and ram each other while they're eating, but Mr. Bull is a true gentleman. He allows everybody. Oh, there you are, Sparkle. Oh, it's got somebody using the cattle brush. Move away. Okay, yeah, it was this one right here. She was using. Look at the brush. She was using it just a minute ago. And what are you doing watching me? You're just curious. A couple slackers sunning themselves. Yeah. Oh, there's Sparkle. Hey, look at that. Sparkle's cleaning herself. Now, Sparkle, there's nothing wrong with your mouth, is there? You don't have an overbite. You look okay to me. She's not even 2 months old. Oh, there goes the herd. They're herding. They're doing their herding thing. Sparkle's fast behind. Got 3 stragglers over here. What are you guys doing? Anyhow, let's see how the water's doing. Oh yeah, look at that level. Big tank. Big tank. All right, let me see if I can't pull this up a little. As I hear the water, I'll know what's going in the tank. If I don't hear anything, I'll run out here. I just got it setting right there. It's a sight to behold. Nothing like good cattle. A sight to behold. What mud there is, I made. Water tanks. Oh yeah, so I want to show you these brushes. Install these on the beam. It's like they use obviously they use the lower more because they go down and then they lift them up. So it looks like the brush is used to about here. So I use about 2/3 of the brush. If I had it to do over again, I would have mounted it a little lower, and I still can. I got that at probably 20, 27, 30 inches. Needs to be lower. Same with this one. Got this one at, you can see the most usage is on the bottom half. Bottom half of the brush, which means I probably should have mounted it. Yeah. Down a foot. And the next time I'll know. You know, when you're new to cattle, you don't always get it all right. All right. Salt blocks with garlic. I always throw some garlic powder on their salt blocks. Same with mineral. In here, upstairs, barn features. Nice dry barn in here for winter. Huge barn. Oops, I should take this down. There, that's better. Stairs. Barn. Barn. There's mineral with garlic put on top. And you can see where they've been munching on that. They love their garlic. All right, you guys do your feeders. I chain the feeders because things walk away here. Would you believe somebody walked those feeders out there and took them? Pretty interesting. Won't take him anymore. All right. Truck's in the shop. I got the 1998 Lumina Star feature. Beautiful car. 3.8 GM motor. One of the best. Another new transmission in it. She runs. She's a runner. Run nice down the road at 80, 90, but I don't do that. 70, 72 is good. Seems to like that even better. Best gas mileage. 65 to 72. And that's about it. Alright, I'm gonna stop this video. Hasta luego. In God we trust.